Let's learn how to delete WhatsApp message for everyone if deleted for me. So first of all, what you have to do is you can message something to someone, and here you have to tap on the message which you want to delete, and when you tap on delete, here are two options: delete for everyone and delete for me. So you'll suppose tapped on delete for everyone. If you tap on undo, it will immediately, you can immediately receive that message again. But if you cannot tap on that undo, I'll show you another options. What you can do is tap on these three dots, go to settings, and then here go to chats, tap on chat backup, and you can tap on backup. So it will help you get your message back, and you can again delete it for everyone. If it doesn't work, what you can do is go back on install WhatsApp application, install it back, and backup again. That will help you fix your problem. So thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in next video.